one of these lucky skis is going to win the prize of being worked on today. It will be running by the end of the day. Here's that starter that broke, welded up, good as new. Sea-doos break every time, but admittedly, I only put the one bolt in the starter, so you can't put that on Sea-doo. It was a great day to work on skis, and the sun's come out. I'm thinking if it works, I might have to take it on the water. Yeah. I'm gonna ride this thing for like 5 minutes, or however much fuel is left in the reserve. The Sea-doo HX was manufactured from 1995 to 1997. The brainchild and final collaboration of Winston H. Bombardier and John Sea-doo. Sadly, they were never to collaborate again, as Winston would die late in 1995. He did get to see his brainchild on the water, and it was given the moniker HX in honor of thanks for coming along. I'm glad we got a win on this thing today. I don't think it's run over 30 minutes in the water yet, so I gotta get it out before it realizes how long it's been in the water and breaks.
I gotta hop in here and talk about something before we go any further in the video, because I think it would be a disservice to let you guys continue thinking a certain way and go out into the world with a... Well, I just gotta jump in here and clear something up. Earlier in the video, Jason had a story about John Bombardier and Jason Seadoo, or whatever their actual names would have been, or what he said their names were. Now, if you don't know Jason, you may think this is an actual factual story, but I am not certain that it is. Jason may have looked up and brought you some actual history, but also it is equally likely that he made that up for entertainment purposes. If you don't know Jason, you might not realize that that might not be exactly something that's actually true or history. Now, he was making that up all in good fun. If it is made up, it could very well be true. So I'm not necessarily saying that it is made up, because I'm not looking it up to verify it myself. I'm just saying I don't want you guys going out there and telling your friends this cool story about the Sea-Doo HX history when it may or may not be true. So definitely look it up for yourself before you go and pretend like you know everything about Sea-Doo HX. I am in the garage, and you can see it's a little bit different looking in here, but the reason for that is we are preparing for the live stream today, and if you want to watch that, it's going to be in a couple of hours after this video. We had so much fun on the last live stream, we decided to do it again, and we are hoping to focus more on the questions this time. We weren't able to focus as much on your guys' live chat questions last time because we were having so many technical difficulties. This time we're hopefully a little bit more prepared, and it'll go a little bit more smoothly, and we'll be able to interact with you guys a little bit better. Now, if you did miss the live stream, it should be available to replay or rewatch. I'm just going to make it public when we're done with the live stream, so even if you missed it live, you can still check it out. It will be available for everyone to watch. So check it out if you want to. Support this video if you enjoyed it with the thumbs up. And that'll do it for this one, and I'll see ya in the next video.